You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So one of you lovelies had asked me to do a setting hair video, how I set my relaxed hair, and now I'm going to show you how I set my relaxed hair like a pro. So to begin, I just go in with my setting spray by Cream of Nature, and also we'll be adding some leave-in treatment from Motions. Apply that all over my head, and then I will proceed to start setting my hair. And to begin, firstly, we're gonna start by parting the front of our head, 2 parts on the side for the front setters, and it's way more easier this way. And after that, I'll pin up the back to get that hair out of the way so I can focus on the front. And then I begin to part and start the setting process. So basically it's gonna be repetition all over your head. So you part and then you start to roll the setter from the tip, from the ends of the hair all the way up. And as I said, basically it is repetition. So just keep on watching, and then I'll show you how I'll part the back of my head to set the back after I finish the front. But it's pretty easy, and with practice it will become perfect for you. With practice, maybe on your first try it will be difficult, but over time it becomes perfection. So keep on watching.